How to make a magic ring. Holding your yarn tail, make a loose ring around your left hand, with the yarn leading to the ball lying on top and the tail end underneath. Hold the yarn ring in place with your middle finger and thumb. With the hook in your right hand and the working yarn held taut, insert your hook into the ring from front to back. Wrap the working yarn over your hook and bring it back through the ring. Secure the ring by making one chain stitch. Following your crochet pattern, work the number of stitches required into the ring. Make sure each stitch is worked around both strands of your magic ring. Once you have completed your stitches, gently pull the yarn tail to gather them and close the ring. Your pattern will specify whether you should join your round using a slip stitch or another method. You have now created a magic ring.